Hi everyone, welcome back to our personal portfolio web application built with Laravel. The starting point of our video is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that in the description down below. On the end of this video, we'll be able to create a new user. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to go in our VS Code, on resources, on views, on admin, on users. Here we are going to create a form which will help us when we create a new user or edit a user. Now let's go on public, on template, on backend, in user.html, copy this model, and go back in our form.blade.php, paste it over here. Okay, now let's create a file called create.blade.php. Within, we are going to include our form. After that, let's go in our index.blade.php. Over here, include our file create. Now when we click on this button, we open a module which will help us to create a new user. Now we are going to walk around to fill out this form. So let's go back in form.blade.php. Over here, on this input, add name, which will be name. Here the name will be email. Over here, the name, it will be biography. Let's remove this. And over here, the name, it will be password. Now let's go back in our create.blade.php file. Over here, add a form with method post. The action root will be admin.users.store. Add ssref token. And then close this form. We haven't created these roots, so let's create it by on roots in web.php file over here. Duplicate this root. Here it will be post, and the function it will be store, and the root name it will be admin.users.store. Now we are going to create this store function in our user controller. So let's go in our user controller. Over here, create a function called store and passing requests. First, we are going to create a request validation. The name will be required with maximum character. Okay. The email will be required. It will be string. It will be on lowercase. It will be also an email. With maximum character. Okay. And then it will be a unique. Alright, the password also, it will be required. Now let's add on our form.blade.php, an error message. It will be email. So let's do the same on email and on the password. Let's test again. If you try to fill out this form, we see the error, which is better. So let's continue. Go in our user controller. On serve function. Create a variable user, which will get a new user. The username will get a request name. The user email will get a request email. The user biography will get a request biography. The user password will get a request password, and we are going to crypt this password. And then save the user. After that, we are going to be redirected to our root admin.users.index with flash message. User added. Now let's go in our index form, add our flash message. In our index.blade.php, add the flash message. Over here, let's includes dot flash message. Alright, let's create a new user. When we try to fill out this form with empty vary, we see we get an error. Now let's try to fill out by add a new user. As you can see, it creates a new user, which is better. Alright, so let's stay here for the moment. In upcoming video, we are going to see how to edit and delete a user. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to motivate me to keep going. Thank you for watching.